Today we're going to make Mount Namcha. The bold lines represent the outer contour of the mountain. This small section is part of the mountain, and there's a little bit showing in the back. The fine lines show the direction and flow of the mountain's ridges. Just like before, we need to use our craft knife to separate the mountain's outline from the sky in the background. You can hold it in your hand, or you can lean it against something on the table and cut straight down along this line. Cut straight down vertically, about 2 millimeters deep. Just cut into that depth, that's enough. Then tilt the knife and wood. Both the wood and the knife should be at an angle. Let the two cuts meet so the wood naturally falls away. If it doesn't come off, just make another cut. Don't force it out because forcing it will leave a lot of wood splinters inside. Once you've reached about this depth, you can use the small round chisel to press down the sky area. You can do this on the table. As you push forward, lift the tool upward at the same time. Push forward and lift up simultaneously. If you don't want the edge to split, carve back toward yourself. Be extra careful around the single-sided areas. Apply force, but with a bit of restraint. You can leave the text area intact. A depth of about 4 or 5 millimeters is enough. Look, you can see there's a thicker line here. This small section is the mountain in the background, so we can also carve it out a bit to show that. Just go a little deeper, that's enough. It's in the background.
Then you can work on this part, Kyo. Add a couple of textures to it.
As we mentioned earlier, the fine lines show the direction of the mountain. It kind of curves inward toward the center, so we can use these fine lines to express the mountain's texture. You can generally follow this line, but you don't have to stick to it exactly. Just do your best. Add some variation. Make each cut a little different. Add some overlapping strokes. Picture a snow mountain without many sharp edges. At the edges, you can go down a bit. The lower you go, the longer your strokes can be. That way, the lines will look smoother. The edges of the peak can be a bit sharper. As for the direction though, they're not exactly parallel. Make them a little messy. At the edges, you can carve down a gibor. Because this mountain is relatively flat, unlike Gunga, which has a ridge in the middle that extends out to both sides, this one is flatter, so we just need to show the mountain's texture and the direction of its rock formations. If you want more detail, you could add some sharp angles to the mountain's edges so it doesn't look too round. Stay quiet and try not to let those tearing sounds happen. After the tearing sounds, the next step is to add color. It will show up more clearly. Brush away the little specks in the corners. Now you can start painting. There's not much difference in painting these 5 mountains. You can refer to actual photos and add your own creativity. Basically, it's divided into 4 parts. First, the dark base color of the mountain. Second, the snow. Third, you can add some golden sunlight on the peaks, or skip it if you want. And finally, the sky blue background, where you can also add some white clouds if you like. We'll use Meili Snow Mountain as an example to demonstrate how to paint the mountain. Dip a bit of white, then add a little black. Mountains are definitely not pure white, nor pure black. Even snowy mountains aren't pure white, so for the base, the rocks can be a bit gray. Just mix black and white to get gray. You don't even have to mix it too evenly, since the color of the rocks might not be that uniform either. Use the brush and follow the direction of the mountain. Make sure to brush every edge and corner. The higher up you go, the whiter it gets. The color should be lighter as you go up, because these mountains are all snow-capped. There are 3 sides. Be a bit careful. If you accidentally paint outside the lines, you can just use our palette knife to scrape it off later, so there's no need to worry too much. You can add a bit of a darker color to the deeper parts of the ridge. While it's still wet, it can blend with the base color underneath. Then, after it dries a bit, we'll add some white snow on top. When it's dry, you can gently touch up the areas on the side that you painted earlier. A thin layer. Scrape off 1 layer and it's enough. Because we're depicting the sharp peaks of Meili Snow Mountain and there's a lot of snow accumulated here, you can use more white in this area. I want to make these 3 peaks whiter, but I can't add more paint now. It'll smear colors underneath. So wait until it dries, then add another layer of white. And since we already have some white, when we're painting the blue sky in the background, we can also add a bit of white there. Your snow mountain is finished, but don't forget your golden sunlight on the mountain. Gold. Make it thinner, just a little bit. Just brush it onto the sunny side of your mountain. If the sun is rising from this side, the sunlight will shine from here. So the gold should be sprinkled on one side. If you want the top to be thicker, just wait for it to dry and then add another layer, and repeat after it dries. If you really can't wait, you can use a hairdryer to speed it up. Just don't get too close or use too much heat. Keep some distance and blow it dry. That's enough. And with that, your Meili Snow Mountain with the golden sunlight is complete.
Namcha Barwa Peak is located in Ningxi, Tibet, with an elevation of 7,782 meters. It is the highest peak at the easternmost end of the Himalayas. It is renowned for its steep, imposing, and mysterious nature. The massive triangular peak is covered in snow year-round and shrouded in clouds and mist, rarely revealing its full appearance, which is why it's also called the Nun Peak. At its base lies the deep Yarling Changpo Grand Canyon, creating a world-famous and rare natural spectacle of mountains and rivers. Namcha Barwa is regarded by the Tibetan people as the long-haired one piercing the sky, a sacred mountain full of legendary tales. Climbing it is extremely difficult, and very few have ever reached the summit.